No, and I apologize. We're bouncing all over the place here in this road, but let's talk about metabolic syndrome, specifically diabetes. Why do you think Phytofare is going to be successful in helping regulate blood sugars and be a good product for people with type 2 diabetes?
You have to consider the published prior. Yeah. You have to consider the published prior research with clinical studies, and also in vitro and animal, and all these studies point to the same conclusion, that the inhibiting benefits of the catechins in leveling the flow of insulin and the benefits of the glucose, which are the main issues in diabetics, is stabilized by the catechins and their efficient antioxidant activities. Now, again, all these reports say we can do it in animals, we can do it in the laboratory. We can't scale it up.
Why?
We can't scale it up for the reasons I stated before. The metabolization in the stomach acids and the residence time in the plasma equates to very high dosage in order to get it into the plasma in sufficient time to have a benefit. And you're talking over 4,000 milligrams in dosage, which use toxicity issues. And that is why, when you start to look at how we will deliver this in oral capsules, that the potential benefit to humans is, one, it will protect and prevent diabetes, but you've also got to support it yourself by changing your lifestyle and dealing with your weight and your sugars and your exercise and all the other things that everybody's telling everybody, but nobody seems to want to do.
So what I'm hearing you say is that everyone knows green tea can regulate blood sugar. The problem of it is, in traditional green tea, the dosage is so high that you get nausea and other side effects, and then it processes out of the body so fast that you really can't, it's not there when you need it. Where with Phytofare, you can use a smaller dose and it stays in the blood 24 hours, so you've got the green tea there working when you need it. Is that fair to say?
Yeah, that's about right. You must remember that the whole benefit of antioxidants out of plant is to replicate what goes on in a plant. In other words, the antioxidants have no boundaries and they go and scavenge through the whole plant when it's compromised. And you want to do the same thing with humans. So you're not looking at one specific target, which you do with pharmaceuticals. By the way, the car's now been shook to bits.